What is Reiki? So you've heard me say that I'm a Reiki Grandmaster and I come from a lineage of Reiki Masters, but Reiki hai kya? Reiki is actually an energy modality, a therapy that is universal life force. It was developed in Japan by Dr. Mikao Usui while he was meditating, and these symbols came to him more like a download from above of sorts. Reiki doesn't believe in any caste, creed, religion. It's above all of that. It's basic universal life force. The word Reiki is a Japanese term. Rei means universal, Ki is life force. So there's nothing complicated about that. Another thing to be kept in mind is it's a non-invasive complementary energy therapy which seeks balance and removal of energy blockages and alignment. Of course, the basics of Reiki involve certain principles or concepts, but they're like, first principle is that you should have attitude of gratitude. अब normal life में भी आपको gratitude तो practice करना ही चाहिए. Reiki भी यही कह रही है. Another beautiful principle here is that you should be open to receiving the energy. अभी करेगी आपको stress, relaxation, pain management, जो भी जिसके लिए भी आप energy और इस therapy को request कर रहे हो, वो आप तक तभी पहुंच पाएगी जब आप accepting होगे. Reiki has 4 levels. Reiki 1 is the touch therapy level. So when you are attuned as a Reiki 1 practitioner, you can only send the energy, the therapy, by touching the other being. The Reiki 2 is all about long distance energy. So if the person is located in some other place, you can obviously send the energy, the therapy to the person long distance if you are attuned in Reiki 2. Reiki 3A is the master level Reiki, which means you can attune other people, make them practitioners for Reiki 1 and 2. And Reiki 3B, which is Reiki Grandmaster level, that is my level, means that you can create masters and also attune people as Reiki Grandmasters. So it's like you can give people the therapy and also attune them. And though I've mentioned earlier, I want to say again that religion is not a part of Reiki as such. There is nothing like you have to worship a particular deity because you are a Reiki practitioner, या फिर anything like you cannot worship a particular deity, you cannot follow a religion because you are a Reiki practitioner. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Because Reiki is life force energy. Life force आप में भी है, मेरे में भी है, आपके plant में भी है, आपके आसपास के animals में भी है. It is life force. It's the purest form of cosmic energy. Now with all of this, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा interest आ रहा है in understanding more about Reiki, or you want to get attuned to at least Reiki 1, Reiki 2, or you want this energy, this therapy to help you with something, please get in touch. DM Reiki, that is REIKI, or feel free to read up more on that. There are a lot of articles on Google, but I would prefer अगर आप directly मुझे reach out कर लो, because not all Google articles are authentic.